I'm Janine Deakin. I'm a professor in genomics here at UC. Well, I always loved science, and so I went straight from loving science, chemistry, biology, mathematics, into a Bachelor of Science degree at Macquarie University. From there I did an honours year and then a PhD. And from there I worked overseas doing research in San Antonio in Texas, and then I came to Canberra, and I've been working in research related fields ever since. I can date this back to a blood test I had when I was 6 years old. And I just remember being fascinated by what they were going to do with the blood. So I watched it coming out, and then I asked them all these questions. Where's the blood going to go? What can you tell from it? And I think from that moment, I fell in love with science. And so then from there, I also loved watching things like ants. Where were they going? What were they doing? How were they communicating? I loved animals of all sorts. So I just had a real love for science. I have to say that I didn't really have any issues being a woman in STEM until I got further up the ladder in my career. And it was going to meetings and being a woman who at the start of the meeting would give an idea, and then we'd spend an hour talking around that idea just for someone to come up at the end of the meeting saying exactly the same thing that I'd said at the start of the meeting. So I found that a little bit frustrating, but that's the only issue I've really encountered as far as being a woman in STEM. I think the main thing I wish they'd said was just to make sure you're following your passion, because a career in STEM is hard work. I won't beat around the bush there. It really is hard work. And it's made easier if you're following your passion. It's very easy to just do things because you think it's the right thing to do and you don't necessarily have that passion for it. And that's where you really end up doing some hard work. So, but if it's your passion, it's easy. Just follow your passion. That will get you through life. It will make studying STEM easy. It will open all sorts of doors and opportunities for you. So just follow your passion.